Hello everyone, welcome back to Look of a Kind. Do you have shea butter stuck in your carpet and you've been having issues getting it out? Let me show you how I got my shea butter out. I have some dried up shea butter stuck in my carpet. So I was doing some research and trying to figure out how I could get it up out of the carpet, and I came across putting some baking soda down on it. This is spot number 1. Here's spot number 2 that I just put it down on. Sorry for the ashy hands. And here's spot number 3. This is the one I did first. And you see how the shea butter is starting to return to normal? Now, what I did was, which was not found in research, but I actually warmed up this area of the carpet, the spots, and then I put the baking soda down on it to help absorb. So do not try this at home unless you're actually watching this, but I have a small little heater here and I rigged it up to where it's leaning on it so that the heat will warm it up, and it doesn't take that long to do that. So I say give it about 7-10 minutes, and then you will have the whole spot will be warm and melt it down somewhat and soft, and then you can just stick your baking soda on it, and then you will get the results like this. There we go. I have a picture frame that I'm using to lean the small heater on, and I'm using this DVD to press the bottom button. And once that warms up, I am going to put some baking soda on it. Since that is going, I'm going to use my denim brush to, I don't use this anymore, by the way. That's why it's on the carpet. But I'm going to basically rake or brush this stuff up to help pull it up, and then I'm going to vacuum this up. You don't have to play MacGyver and rig up a heater, but you can use a blow dryer instead. I did not want to hold one for that long, so that's why I created this setup. We have melted down the shea butter, and I'm going to pour some baking soda. I'm just gonna let that sit. Don't pat it down, don't pack it down, just spread it out and just let it sit. I used my hand tool for my Bissell carpet cleaner. This did get most of it up, but I paid for it because there's now shea butter in the hand tool. If you do this, you need to clean the tool immediately so it will not harden inside. Also, if you don't have a carpet cleaner, just repeat the melting, baking soda, raking, vacuuming steps. This won't get all of it up, but it will get most of it up. Then I use the main part of the carpet cleaner to get the rest of it up. I forgot to record after the carpet dried, but this is actually months later. As you can see, there are no stains. They are gone. And I did not have anybody come and re-clean the carpet or anything. The last time I had the carpet cleaned was in that video. I hope this video helps with your shea butter stain.